Hi guys, welcome back on TechAid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to fix Messenger video call sound problem. First of all, you can open the Messenger application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, first simply check your device volume by swipe down at the top of the screen, and here you can check your mobile's volume. And after this the issue is not solved, you can just simply go to the general home settings in your iOS, and after going to the settings you can just simply scroll down and down. You can now tap on apps at very last, and after this you can search here Messenger, and now tap on this, and after this you can disable the microphone option, and after this the issue is solved. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.